Oh, no way. Right, don't know how I'm going to record this now because I'm on my phone, but
no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah.
What's good everyone, it is your boy DSG Panther. Today we are finally going to be doing Apple CarPlay on my Polo GTI. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so today, as you've seen in the title, we are now putting Apple CarPlay on the Polo. So it's going to be a bit of a weird video. So I'm actually going to be doing a bit of hands-on, and then we're going to send my box out to Vag, I think it's Vag North, up the Ryan Gash. He's proper helped me out. He's going to be fitting or doing the magic on the Apple CarPlay. Then he will be sending it back to me, and then I can put the unit back in and we will have Apple CarPlay. So yeah, let's get into the first part that we need to do, which is taking the box out and then sending it off to him. So we are in the whip, and as you can see, this is the entertainment system that we need to take out to fit the new Apple CarPlay. So obviously this is the main unit that you touch, blah, blah, blah. This is where you want Apple CarPlay. I've turned it on, obviously. But yeah, you will probably have this screen here, App Connect, and it says starting at Connect, but obviously you don't actually have it. But yeah, so basically you will have that screen. That is what comes from here. So this is where all of that is happening. So essentially you need to take this box out, the entertainment system out, send it to Ryan or Vag Adaptions or anyone who knows how to do it. Send it out to them, and then they can do their coding on it, and then you just put it back in, done. So we are now going to be taking the box out. So what you need is a I think it's an interior kit, and it comes with a whole kit, but you need these little rings. Now I will leave a link in the description to a kit that you can use. Really simple. I literally just done it now and it came out. So you literally just put these into the hole here. I will do this now for you guys just so you guys can see how I do it. Literally put it in, you can just pull out. I pulled it back now, and here we have the entertainment system. So this bit might need to come off so I can get to the wires behind the back. But yeah, let's see what happens now. I'm going to take this bit off here, and then we can untug the back, the plugs from the back, and then we can send this out. Turns out you need a T-star, and I don't know what size I'm using, but I will leave the size in the description so you guys can do it yourself. You've got to take these 3 screws out, these 3 here, and then there's one in the corner. If you guys can see that, there, one deep in the corner, and then there's also one under there. So you've got to take them out. And then you got to take this up, and then you literally just need to clip this bit open, and then this should come out, so then I can get the entertainment system up. So let's do it. So guys, you last saw I was taking the whole glove box out. So now we have taken the glove box out. It is in the boot. Obviously I don't want to get damaged or anything. So this is the side door that needs to come off as well. Basically everything needs to come off, the whole glove box. Essentially this side panel here, there's a screw just there that needs to come out as well. So then this pulls it out obviously here as well. There's like a little metal clip here that comes out. Make sure you take that out. The glove box will come out. Also there is one more clip in the back when you have the glove box. So yeah, it's in the actual glove box. I'll go and show you that now. The other screw there, obviously just behind this flappy bit, but you shouldn't have that open anyway. But yeah, so now we've got the glove box out. We are now going to go and send my heads unit all the way to North East Vag Adaptions. It's £100. We're going to send it to him, and then he's going to send it to me back, plug it in, and Apple CarPlay should be there. Okay guys, next day now, actually it's about 2 days later. So I sent this out on Tuesday, and now it is now Thursday. So Friday, sorry, it's Friday. So we are now going to go and plug it in. Hopefully it works. Let's see, because I really need Apple CarPlay. It is long driving to London without Apple CarPlay. So let's go do it. Alright guys, I've just plugged all the cables in. It's really simple. Obviously, once you've got all the glove box off, it's really easy just to plug these in. This one, the big black one, goes in this one. Make sure that this folding bit comes down once you push it in, obviously, because otherwise it's not going to go in. Ignore this bit, nothing goes in there. The yellow one goes in the yellow hole, pretty simple. Pink one goes in the pink hole. White ones go in the white hole. There's literally 2 white holes here. They have to face the clips coming out. I don't know why, but they won't go in otherwise. And then the black one goes in the black one. So now, theoretically, I push this button, Apple CarPlay should be installed. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no way. Right. don't know how I'm going to record this now because I'm on my phone, but let's get some videos of Apple CarPlay because this is going to be sick. Right, let's do it. Just before we get into the Apple CarPlay, I want to have a look and see if we've got the performance monitor, which apparently comes with it. So let's go to menu, and I'm guessing it's car. Oh, look at that. That is sexy. Nah, don't chat to me now. Man's got Apple CarPlay. Don't chat to me. Look at that. That is sick. So we've got performance monitor, lap time. You know it's going to come in handy when we do our first track day with this car. If you guys want me to do a track day, let me know in the comments because, yeah, I just think that might be a sick video. So we've got lap time, performance monitor. That is sick, honestly. That's worth it just for that. So, yeah, let's get into the Apple CarPlay. So we want to go back to menu, app connect. And I'm guessing we've got to plug our phone in via USB down here. And, let's see. Oh my God. I hope you guys can still hear me with the microphone because obviously it's plugged in from my phone. But look at that. So we have all these different screens here. So we've got phone, messages, now playing, which I think is Apple Music. We've got Volkswagen. I think that goes back to the normal entertainment system. We've got the calendar, settings, Google Maps, Ringo, which is my parking ticket stuff. And here we've got Spotify, which is the big boy one, Waze, which is even better because I need Waze, and WhatsApp. So let's click Waze. Okay, so here we have Waze. Waze is working perfectly as it should do. Why should it not? Honestly, this is so worth it, guys. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section if you guys think Apple CarPlay is worth the money. Personally, I think it is. Obviously, as I already said, you guys can get this link in the description. Northeast Vag, I've totally paid for this. It's no promotion, but if you guys want to get this done, it's the only guy that I know that could do my car. So I sent it out to him and he's done it £100 within 2 days. What more could you ask for? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It wasn't a massive video, but I felt like Apple CarPlay was a thing that needs to be done for everyone's motors, to be honest. Who doesn't need Apple CarPlay? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.